Okay, well, this is a modern Japanese tiny house with a built-in cabinet, loft and compact kitchen, and the house has a wooden exterior and is placed on a concrete foundation. Then the interior is a minimalist with a few pieces of furniture, including sofa, table, a few shelves. There's a ladder leading to the loft, which contains a mattress. Then the compact kitchen has a few appliances and is equipped with a small stove, fridge, and a sink. Okay, then this tiny house with a built-in cabinet, loft, and compact kitchen also. Then the house is painted white and has a wooden loft and cabinet. There's a tatami mat floor and a sliding door. The compact kitchen has a stove, sink, and refrigerator. Then the interior is minimalistic with a few pieces of furniture and decorative items. Okay, well, the space has a built-in cabinet, a loft, and a compact kitchen. There's a tatami mat floor and a shoji screen door. Then the house has a minimalistic design with wooden element. Okay, the house has a wooden exterior and is painted white, and the interior has a minimalist design with a few pieces of furniture, including a sofa, a table, and a chair. Then the loft is accessed by a ladder and has a mattress, and the compact kitchen has a sink, a stove, and refrigerator. Then the floor is covered with a rug. Okay, the interior is minimalist and sleek with a combination of wooden and white elements. There's a low wooden bed in a loft and a small table with two chairs. The kitchen has a sink, stove, and refrigerator. Then the floor is covered with a woven mat, and the wall has a built-in wooden cabinet. Okay, then the house has a wooden exterior and is situated on a rocky terrain, and the interior is spacious and well organized with a loft accessible via a ladder. Then there is a built-in cabinet near the entrance, a compact kitchen with a sink and stove, and a sitting area with a low table. Then the house is surrounded by lush greenery. The house has a wooden exterior with a slanted roof. The interior is minimalist with a small living area and a ladder leading to the loft. Then the kitchen has a sink, stove, and storage space. And there is also a built-in cabinet near the entrance. Then the floor is made of wood. Okay, the house has a wooden structure and is painted in a light shade. And there is a small window near the ceiling, and the floor is covered with a tatami mats and a few personal items, such as a plant and lamp, are placed in the room. Okay, there's a built-in cabinet along the wall and a small compact kitchen with a sink, a stove, and a refrigerator. There's a loft with a railing above the main living area. Then the floor is covered with a rug and the walls are painted white, and there are a few decorative items. Okay, well, the house has a minimalist design with a wooden exterior. The interior has tatami floors and simple furniture. There's a small window near the ceiling, and the loft is accessed via a wooden ladder, and the kitchen has a sink, stove, and storage. Okay, the house has a tatami mat flooring and a shoji screen door, and there is a futon mattress in a loft, and the compact kitchen has a sink, a stove top, and a few appliances, and built-in cabinet has a few items. Then the room is clean and organized. Okay, the house has built-in cabinet and a compact kitchen with a sink, stove, and refrigerator, and there is a ladder leading to the loft which has a mattress. The floor is made of wood and the walls are painted white. There are potted plants near the entrance. Okay, the exterior is made of wood and has thatched roof. Then there's a wooden deck with a few chairs outside the house, and the interior has tatami mats and a low wooden table, and there's a ladder leading to the loft. And also the compact kitchen has a sink, stove, and cabinets also. Okay, well, the interior has tatami mats and is furnished with a low sofa, a table, and a few chairs. And there's a ladder leading to the loft. Then the built-in cabinet is near the entrance, and the compact kitchen has a sink, a stove, and a few storage units, and the wall have a few shelves with decorative items. Okay, the interior is bright and has a minimalist design, and there is a small staircase leading to the loft, and the kitchen has a sink, stove top, and storage, and the ground is covered with a tatami mats. Okay, there's a small table and a chair near the built-in cabinet. The loft has a wooden railing and a futon. Then the compact kitchen has a sink, a stove, and a few appliances. Then the walls and ceiling have a light beige color. Okay, the interior is spacious and well lit, with a wooden floor and a few pieces of furniture. And there is a small table and chairs near the window, and a sofa near the loft. And the walls are painted white, and there are a few plants in the room. Okay, then this interior is minimalistic with wooden elements. There's a small table and a chair, and the floor is made of wood. And the walls have a few shelves and hanging decoration, and the loft has a futon. Okay, this tiny house on wheels with a built-in cabinet, loft, and compact kitchen. And the house has a wooden exterior and is parked on a gravel surface. And the interior is bright and clean with minimalist design, and there is a small window near the ceiling, and the floor is covered with a beige rug. Okay, and this interior has a built-in cabinet, a loft, and a compact kitchen. And there's a wooden ladder leading to the loft, and the floor is covered with tatami mats, and the walls are painted white, and there's a small window near the loft. Okay, and this is the last design alternative, and this house has a compact kitchen with a built-in cabinet, and there's a sofa that can be converted into a bed, and the floor is made of wood. Then the walls are painted white, and also there is a small window near the loft, and the overall space is clean and minimalistic. Okay, well, there are quite a lot of design choice that I present in this video. So which design do you think this is the best, or the one that suits your needs and taste? Please write in the comment column below, and don't forget to subscribe this channel, and just wait for my next great and beautiful video in the next content. Thank you.